Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Today we are going to learn most important MCQs on Union and its territories. Your first question: which article of the Constitution covers all state territories, union territories and territories to be acquired in the future? Correct answer: Article 1. Some important points. Article 1 declares India as a union of states. Union signifies the indestructible nature of India. States cannot secede from the union, based on the Canadian model of federation. Your next question: under which article can new states be admitted into the union? Correct answer: Article 2. Important points: power is not limited to territories at the commencement of the Constitution, done through a law by simple majority. Example: Sikkim joined India in 1975 under Article 2. Your next question: formation of a new state by separation from an existing state is under which article? Correct answer: Article 3. Important points: allowed formation of new states altering boundaries, name or areas. Used in the reorganization of states in 1956. Telangana was created in 2014 under Article 3. Your next question: changing the name of an existing state is possible under which article? Correct answer: Article 3. Important points: requires presidential recommendation. State legislature's view is sought but not binding. Madras renamed to Tamil Nadu in 1969. Orissa renamed to Odisha in 2011. Your next question: which article for increasing or diminishing the area of any state? Correct answer: Article 3. Important points: boundaries may be merged or split. Area adjustment can be made by Parliament. No need for state consent. Requires simple majority in Parliament. Used during creation of Chhattisgarh, Jharkhand and Uttarakhand in 2000. Your next question: readjustment of territories between states can be made under which article? Correct answer: Article 3. Important points: covering merging and separation of areas. Parliament has sole authority. Opinion of state legislature is advisory. No constitutional amendment needed. Example: Andhra Pradesh Telangana boundary adjustment. Your next question: law under Article 2 and 3 are not considered. Constitutional amendment under which article? Correct answer: Article 4. Important points: laws under Article 2 and 3 can be passed by simple majority. Ensures quick legislative action for territorial changes. They do not require Article 368 procedure. Avoid lengthy amendment process. Your next question: who has the power to include a state in the Indian Union? Correct answer: Parliament. Important points: the power is not delegated to state government. Parliament has exclusive authority under Article 2, 3 and 4. State cannot alter their boundaries themselves. Ensured national unity. Sikkim was admitted into India by Parliament in 1975. Your next question: which article describes India as a union of states? Correct answer: Article 1. Your next question: as of 2025, how many states and union territories does India have? Correct answer: 28 states and 8 union territories. Important points: last census on 31st October 2019, Jammu and Kashmir and Ladakh become union territories. Dadra and Nagar Haveli and Daman and Diu merged into one union territories in 2020. 3 union territories have legislature: Delhi, Puducherry, and Jammu and Kashmir. Your next question: how many Lok Sabha seats are reserved for union territories? Correct answer: 20. Important points: Delhi has the highest union territories representation with 7 seats. Jammu and Kashmir has 5 seats. Representation based on population, provided under Representation of the People Act 1950. All union territories have at least 1 seat. Your next question: which was the first state formed on linguistic basis in India? Correct answer: Andhra Pradesh. Important points: formed in 1953, created for Telugu-speaking population, separated from Madras state, inspired States Reorganization Act 1956. Your next question: when did Jammu and Kashmir and Ladakh became separate union territories? Correct answer: 31st October 2019. Important points: done under Jammu and Kashmir Reorganization Act 2019. Article 370 abrogated before bifurcation. Jammu and Kashmir has a legislature, Ladakh does not. Reduce India's state count from 29 to 28. Your next question: whose recommendation is required before introducing a bill for state reorganization? Correct answer: President. Your next question: Parliament can't alter boundaries between states without a constitutional amendment due to which article? Correct answer: Article 3 read with Article 4. Important points: Article 4 excludes law under 2 and 3 from amendment procedure. Simple majority is sufficient. Used for state reorganization acts. Your next question: which union territories was formed after the merger of Dadra and Nagar Haveli with Daman and Diu? Correct answer: Dadra and Nagar Haveli and Daman and Diu. Important points: merge effective from 26 January 2020. Capital is Daman. Reduce union territories count from 9 to 8. Governed by the one administrator. Your next question: between 1947 to 1949, how many princely states were integrated into the Indian Union? Correct answer: 549 plus 3. Important points: 562 princely states existed at independence. 549 joined directly via instrument of accession. 3 joined later under special circumstances. Integration completed by 1949. Your next question: Operation Polo was related to the integration of which princely state? Correct answer: Hyderabad. Important points conducted in September 1948, also called police action. Indian Army and IAF involved. Your next question. Junagadh was integrated into India in 1948 through which method? Correct answer referendum. Your next question. Which legal document allowed princely state to join India or Pakistan? Correct answer Instrument of Accession. Your next question. Which commission recommended state reorganization based on administrative convenience, not language? Correct answer Third Commission. Important points appointment by Government of India in 1948 headed by S.K. Thar rejected language as primary basis, suggested efficiency and economic viability. Your next question. The JVP committee rejected which as the sole basis for reorganization? Correct answer language. Important points members Jawaharlal Nehru, Vallabhbhai Patel, Patabi Sitarabhaya recommended unity over linguistic division formed due to rising linguistic demand. Your next question. Which committee accepted languages as the basis for reorganization of states? Correct answer Fazal Ali Commission. Important points headed by Justice Fazal Ali. Members K. M. Panikar, H. N. Kunju. Submitted by report in 1955. Recommended linguistic reorganization would safeguard lead to State Reorganization Act 1956. Your next question. 1st November 1956, how many states and union territories were created by the State Reorganization Act? Correct answer 14 states and 6 union territories. Important points. Act implemented recommendation of Fazal Ali Commission. Major linguistic reorganization in history. Andhra Pradesh formed as first linguistic state earlier in 1953. Union territories introduced as new category. Your next question. Gujarat and Maharashtra were formed by which act in 1960? Correct answer Bombay Reorganization Act. Important points effective from 1st May 1960. Bombay state divided into Gujarat and Maharashtra based on linguistic lines, known as Maharashtra Day in Maharashtra. Gujarat celebrates Gujarat Day. Your next question. Kerala was formed in 1956 under which act? Correct answer State Reorganization Act. Important points formed on 1st November 1956 merged Travancore, Cochin with Malabar district and Kasaragod based on Malayalam speaking population. Capital Thiruvananthapuram shares boundary with Karnataka and Tamil Nadu. Your next question. Karnataka was reorganized in 1956 by merging Kannada-speaking regions under which act? Correct answer State Reorganization Act. Important points earlier known as Mysore States, renamed Karnataka in 1973. 1st November celebrated as Karnataka Rajyotsava, unified Kannada-speaking population. Your next question. Which state was formed in 1963 under the State of Nagaland Act 1962? Correct answer Nagaland. Important points became 16th state of India on 1st December 1963. Carved from Assam. Special constitutional provisions under Article 371A. Christian majority states has its own customary laws. Your next question. Haryana was created in 1966 by separation it from which state? Correct answer Punjab. Important points. Created on 1st November 1966. Punjab Reorganization Act 1966. Chandigarh made a union territories and shared capital. Based on Hindi-speaking population demand, Haryana Day celebrated annually. Your next question. Himachal Pradesh attained full statehood in which year? Correct answer 1971. Important points. State of Himachal Pradesh Act 1970 passed. Statehood effective from 25 January 1971. 18th State of India. Earlier a Union Territory. Your next question. Meghalaya was formed in 1972 under which Act? Correct answer North Eastern Area Act 1971. Important points. Carved out from Assam. Full statehood on 25 January 1972. Known as Abode of Clouds. Capital Shillong. Predominantly tribal population. Your next question. Manipur and Tripura became full states in 1972 under which Act? Correct answer Northeastern Areas Act 1971. Important points upgraded from Union territories. Manipur capital Imphal. Tripura capital Agartala. Strategic location in Northeast India. Your next question. Sikkim became a full-fledged state in 1975 through which constitutional amendment? Correct answer 36th Constitutional Amendment. Important points effective from 26 April 1975. Became 22nd State of India. Capital Gangtok. Your next question. Mizoram became a state in which year? Correct answer 1987. Important points. State of Mizoram Act 1986. Effective from 20 January 1987. Capital Aizawl. Your next question. Arunachal Pradesh became a state in 1987 through which constitutional amendment? Correct answer 55th Constitutional Amendment. Important points. Statehood on 20 February 1987. Capital Itanagar. Known as Land of the Rising Sun. Borders China, Bhutan and Myanmar. Largest state in Northeast India by area. Your next question. Goa attained statehood in 1987 through which constitutional amendment? Correct answer 56th Constitutional Amendment. Important points. Statehood effective 30 May 1987. Earlier a Union Territory. Capital Panaji. Your next question. Chhattisgarh was created in 2000 by bifurcation which state? Correct answer Madhya Pradesh. Important points. Madhya Pradesh Reorganization Act 2000. Effective from 1st November 2000. Capital Raipur. 26th State of India. Your next question. Uttarakhand was formed in 2000 from which state? Correct answer Uttar Pradesh. Important points. Uttar Pradesh Reorganization Act 2000. Effective 9 November 2000. Capital Dehradun. Initially named Uttaranchal. Renamed in 2007. Your next question. Jharkhand was created in 2000 from which state? Correct answer Bihar. Important points: Bihar Reorganization Act 2000, effective 15 November 2000. Capital Ranchi. Your next question. Telangana was formed in 2014 by bifurcation which state? Correct answer Andhra Pradesh. Important points: Andhra Pradesh Reorganization Act 2014, effective from 2nd June 2014. Capital Hyderabad. Your next question. What is a referendum? Correct answer public vote on a political question. Your next question. The instrument of accession was primarily related to which purpose? Correct answer joining a dominion. Your last question. Which operation involved the Indian Army and Air Force to integrate Hyderabad? Correct answer Operation Polo. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, kindly like, share and subscribe to our channel.